Once upon a time, there was a lonely forklift waiting, just waiting. Hi guys, so this is now the preparation for delivery of the magnet. We have to remove the air conduct to make space for the forklift to maneuver in there, and then also the shop front. So the magnet will be taken in here and then down there to the end of the passage to the room where you see yesterday we have prepared the life support. Once it's transferred to continue life support there, you can see the life support already connected and just waiting for the magnet. So with the house, we'll take it out of the container, disconnect the life support there, move it in here and then reconnect it to the life support in the room. And that's today's mission. Thank you, and stay safe out there.